Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to slide edges in Blender. So if you would like to do it, first we need to do is change the mode. So I will change it now from object mode to edit mode. Then we need to select this one option, edge selection mode. It will let us to select edges on your object. So for example, we would like to slide these edges. So I select this one edge, then I press and hold Ctrl from my keyboard and I select another one edge. Now we need to rotate the view. I press and hold scroll button on mouse and then I press and hold Ctrl and I select another one edge. I repeat the action to another edge. So I scroll and I press and hold Ctrl and select the last one edge. Now we have all edges selected here, so we need to press G from keyboard and then we need to press and hold Ctrl. Now you will be able to change position of this edge. So for example, I will change it to somewhere here, and like you see, position has been successfully changed. So it is really working. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.